For your safety, Škoda cars come equipped with braking assists. The front assist steps in to prevent a frontal crash or reduce its effects. Manoeuvre Assist watches your surroundings during slow maneuvering and brakes to prevent hitting obstacles. These systems must conform to strict regulations that follow the better safe than sorry approach. That's why they might be overly cautious at times. To be safe, Manoeuvre Assist brakes for any obstacle it detects, even if you could go over it without any problems. To avoid this, reduce your speed significantly. Objects that can trigger the safety braking include curbs, bushes, cars, or other objects that you would very nearly miss. The emergency braking can be abrupt, but it's there for your safety. Braking assists. Better safe than sorry.